it happens na nagkaroon ng pandemic, no? So na-hone yung skills ko in baking because nasa bahay lang lahat tayo. And then ito na yung time na nakapag-research din ako dito sa university about the indigenous fruits and native fruits, which is more abundant in our area. So na-try ko na incorporate lahat ng mga indigenous fruits natin, katulad ng lipote, señorita, which somehow nagiging food wastage lang siya. So nasasayang, it's because marami nga tayo. So napoproduce lang natin minsan ng suka, ng lipote vinegar natin, but then meron naman siyang ibang alternative na pwede natin gawin. Iba kasi yung lasa niya from commercial cakes na nabibili natin. So yun nga, hinaluan pa natin ng research. So meron siyang nutrition facts. Based on my research, we can produce or we can have a sales o 1.6 million sales in a year kung i-cover ko lang yung eastern part ng Laguna. So yun yung isa sa based on my market study. Kung lahat ng DepEd school, actually we have 19 school to mga around 30 pieces lang or 30 pieces or 20 pieces a day delivery for them. For those 19 schools, we can have a 1.6 million gross sales. We can call it innovation if you commercialize those products.